Hello guys, in today's video we'll learn about struct in Rust. Struct is a composite data type which is like grouping of multiple variables. Let's see how can we define our struct in Rust and how can we use them. So let's say we say struct and car. So we want to create a composite type of car. Now as we know, a car has a model, okay, which is a string, and then a make, like the company which make this car, and then we have a year in which the car was produced, and then we have a mileage, okay, which is a F64, let's say. So these are our properties of our car, and this is our car. By default, all of these are public, like accessible outside, and the car should be global because it's a data type, so it should not be in any method. So let's say let car, and we are saying car, and then let's first of all say model, which is, as we know, string from a string that we want to give, which is let's say Camry, okay, and then make, which is, let's say, string from, and then Toyota, and then we want to give the year as 2022, and then the mileage, which we can give, let's say 123.1, something like that. Now let's understand how can we print it. So we can just say placeholders or the format, and then car dot year, car dot mileage, and then car dot model, and then car dot make. So if we go ahead and run this, you will see the details that we provided in the instance, like when we created the instance of our car. Okay, now let's understand how can we modify. So again, as we know, all the variables in Rust are by default immutable, meaning you cannot change it. So if we try to let's say we are saying car dot year and change it to 2021, we cannot, because it's immutable. So we can just make our car mutable, and now it's acceptable, and now we can change our year. So now if we go and run this, it gives us 2021. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you understand what's a struct and how can it be consumed and used in Rust. We'll be using it a lot as we go further in videos and try to use it in different tools and projects that we'll be creating. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks.